Design your own dress. Go to tailornova.com. Click Design Now. Choose any type of dress to design. Then watch the tutorial how to do it. Then start making your own style dress. Click Next after one by one. I made one dress. You can see back and front, or both. You can choose any pattern of a dress, sleeves pattern, necklines, back neck, fabric. These are available patterns. These are sleeves. Necklines. Top and bottom. Even you can download the design, print it, and take the flat pattern to make it by your own. Follow us for more.